In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can be a novelist and where you can learn being a novelist and what are the important steps that you should follow. And definitely, they'll be a lot helpful to you if you're really thinking of converting your story or idea into a proper novel. So, you must have thought about this: what should you write and how much does it pay? I know you must have thought it at the end of the day, though this is the last part, but this is also important. And how do you segregate your topic and how do you develop characters and which software do you use to write? And how to make your writing irresistible. How do you add emotions to your writing? And you must have heard about this term traditional publishing, self publishing. So, which one is better, and what is the pros and cons of both? And is it the right time hoping to earn millions? So, I'll direct you to a great learning platform where you can get answers to all these, and that will be really helpful to you in pursuit of you becoming a novelist. So, just go to your browser and just type collegeunmasked.com, and once you are here, just find download course structure. Just click on download course structure, and once you are here, you'll find collegeunmasked.com presenting learn online video courses course structure. So you'll get 35 plus new age career courses on this platform with 300 premium videos, and that has content duration of more than 8 hours. You'll also get certification and support. And just scroll down to find learn being a novelist course. So there are many other courses also, like digital marketing, SEO, creating website on own, video editing, graphic designing quickly, entrepreneurship, and so many other courses. You can explore the platform. So this is learn being a novelist. So there are three chapters right here. There are total 16 videos with a total duration of 16 minutes. So the first chapter is how is being a novelist as a career, how to know if you're meant to be a novelist, how much time does it take to learn, how much does it cost to learn, how much does it actually pay, is it hectic, some successful novelists to inspire you. So this chapter would set the platform for you, and then in the next chapter, chapter 2, how to write, you'll get the answers to what should you write, how to segregate your topics, how do you back yourself to write, because believe me, it's very difficult when you actually start writing it. The very first sentence, you don't know what to write, so cracking the first sentence often becomes quite a challenge. I hope you can resonate with it if you have actually taken this path. And how do you develop characters, what should be a great writing approach, and how do you add emotional hook points in your writing, and which softwares to use to write. And then the third chapter is all about marketing and publishing. So, is traditional publishing better, or modern publishing, or self publishing better? And how do you market your book to a large number of audience very smartly? And then this last question, which I'm sure you must have thought while meditating on your book, on your novel, that is it right time to write hoping to earn millions? I'm sure that everybody who starts writing a novel is an illusion. That means no, he'll earn millions and millions of dollars. But the thing is, the reality is a bit different. Marketing is a different game altogether. So you have to find a specific niche. What should you write? This will give the answer to this query. So let us visit this course, Learn Being a Novelist course. Just go to collegeunmasked.com, just go on online video courses. So once you are here, you'll find certified online video courses. So just sign in with Google. So then you will be directed to this page, Learn 35 plus careers, certified online video courses. Please click on a course below to watch the videos. Just scroll down, you'll find a number of courses: creating website in a day, SEO, video editing, graphic designing quickly. So just scroll down and you'll find Learn Being a Novelist here. Just click it here. You'll find all the details, the features: get certified, lifetime access, 24/7 personalized support through WhatsApp. Just scroll down below, you'll find course structure that we just discussed a moment ago. Then you'll find get unlimited lifetime access to entire courses now. But before that, if you want to receive some sample videos, just click on get free videos here. You'll be redirected to WhatsApp with a pre-filled message: hi, please send me few sample videos. So just click on send and you'll receive a link to all the sample videos. Now coming back, just click on get access now. You'll be directed to a checkout page, and here you can get unlimited lifetime access to entire courses just for a very nominal amount. This is a limited period offer, so do hurry and take maximum advantage of it. If you're an out of India user, just click here for paying via PayPal. You'll be getting all the instructions right here. You can follow that, and then after you have completed the transaction, you'll be directed to here. So just scroll down, you'll find a welcome message. Here is your unlimited access to entire courses. Please click on a course to watch the videos. Just scroll down. You'll find multiple courses here. Just come here on Learn Being a Novelist. Once you are here, just scroll down and you'll find access to all the videos right here. These are very detailed step-by-step learning guide. So take maximum advantage of this. We at College Unmasked are a platform where we really want to help the youth build their passion into successful profession rather. And if you need any help, just simply feel free to contact us on our WhatsApp support helpline 8979324027. You can also call us on this number. And our main vision with College Unmasked is to provide honest, straightforward, premium, and affordable education that really matters for the maximum. So I hope you have a great learning curve. Let us come together and be change makers in our journey so that we can be self independent in the coming future and stand apart from the crowd.